In this video, I'll show you how to create a filter in Jira with Claude AI. Start by opening Claude AI and Jira in separate browser tabs. Claude will help you generate the Jira query language, or JQL, needed to create a custom filter, while Jira will be used to save and manage the filter. First, decide what issues you want your filter to display. For example, you may want to see all open tasks assigned to you, all high-priority bugs in a specific project, or all issues due this week. Next, go to Claude and describe the filter you want to create. You can type a prompt like, create a Jira JQL query that shows all unresolved bugs in project XYZ assigned to me. Claude will generate a JQL query based on your requirements. After that, review the JQL query that Claude provides and copy it to your clipboard. If needed, ask Claude to modify the query by adding conditions such as issue type, priority, assignee, status, labels, due dates, or sprint information. Now switch to Jira and click Filters in the top navigation menu. Select Advanced Issue Search to open the search interface. Once you're inside the issue search page, click JQL if Jira is currently displaying the basic search mode. This will open the advanced search editor. Next, paste the JQL query generated by Claude into the search field and run the search. Jira will display all issues that match the query. Review the results carefully to make sure the filter is working as expected. If the results are too broad or too narrow, return to Claude and explain what needs to change. Claude can generate a revised JQL query that better matches your requirements. After that, once you're satisfied with the results, click Save As near the top of the search page. Enter a name for the filter and add a description if desired. Now, click Save to store the filter in Jira. The filter will be available whenever you need it, and Jira will automatically update the results as issues change over time. Next, if you want to share the filter with your team, open the filter settings and configure the appropriate sharing permissions. Depending on your Jira permissions, you can share the filter with individual users, groups, projects, or your entire organization. Finally, use the saved filter in dashboards, reports, boards, and other Jira features to quickly access the exact issues you need without running a new search every time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a filter in Jira with Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.